Give it to me.
So, don't eat it yet. Okay, we're gonna do that again.
What did you make for me? Come starter.
You came to the right place. I have this great Mediterranean GoodBowl, and it's layered with a lot of flavor, a lot of components that are super easy to make. So on the bottom, I have a fresh arugula, romaine, and baby spinach salad with a za'atar spice.
What is in za'atar?
So za'atar is a Mediterranean spice mixture that is full of sumac, coriander, cumin, and sesame seeds. So you can either buy that in the jar at the store, or you can make it yourself. And on top of that, I have a rice pilaf, a lot of great energy-sustaining carbs. I've got some plant-based feta on there made from coconut, some beets which are full of nitric oxide to give you that energy boost for your workouts, some great olives, roasted red pepper, a little bit of baba ganoush, which is kind of like hummus, same texture, but it's made with eggplant, and then also some roasted chickpeas, which really give you that nice crunch. Tons of flavor, super easy to make, and I think you're gonna dig it. Enjoy.
I'm starving.
Absolutely.
This looks amazing. Ugh, I don't even know where to start.
The only challenge is getting everything on one forkful,
right?
but I believe in you.
I don't think I can. I love the crunch of the chickpeas, the salad, the dressing, the za'atar. I can taste it all. It's amazing.
Oh.
This is so good together.
Excellent.
So I love Mediterranean, period. But I would never think to put all of this together. There's a lot of flavor.
Yes.
I'm not just saying this because I'm here with you, but this literally is the best bowl that I've ever had.
Wow.
Yeah. I could eat this every single day, and actually, one of the things I love the most about it is it has a ton of nutrients, but I think my kids would actually like a lot of this.
That's a huge compliment.
Yes,
because
and as a mom,
yes.
it's very important.
Yes, and I understand picky eaters. I work with picky eaters from time to time, so this is also something that you can adjust, because say not everyone likes beets, for instance. Beets are kind of a contentious ingredient. Some people love them, some people don't. So this is one of those bowls, actually all the good bowls, where you can take out components, you can add additional components, so there's a flexibility built in depending on whose palate you're trying to please. And if you're crunched for time too, a lot of these ingredients you can buy ahead of time already pre-prepped. You can buy pre-roasted red pepper, obviously olives from the olive bar or a jar. Pretty much everything here you can either prep well in advance or just buy already made at the store.
How hard is it to make the cucumber tzatziki?
That takes literally 4 minutes. You chop the cucumbers, you mix it with a dairy-free yogurt of your choice. I used a coconut yogurt, but you could use an almond yogurt, a soy yogurt, whatever one you want. You put a little bit of dill in there, a little bit of garlic, apple cider vinegar, and lemon, and you're done.
That's awesome. So what would you say is the hardest thing out of all of these? Well, obviously everything's pretty easy, but between this and the salad?
I mean, out of everything, probably the thing that might be the most challenging would be the rice pilaf. It takes time to cook the rice, or you can buy bagged pre-cooked rice, which saves time. But that just probably takes the longest to cook. And in there we've got pine nuts, which are a really, really great source of heart-healthy omega fatty acids. We've got some turmeric, which is an anti-inflammatory spice as well. And then I also used a secret ingredient in the rice pilaf. So I used a coconut-based non-dairy butter, which gives it that richness and that body to it. So whenever I make recipes now, I'm experimenting with, instead of using olive oil, using a non-dairy butter, and it works amazing.
Nice. All right, thanks so much, Jason. This is great. I'm gonna take this home. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna make it for my kids. This is an amazing bowl. I couldn't thank you enough.
Thanks for enjoying.